So I was reading about an article. I mean, it makes me laugh so hard, and I had to share this, guys. So it was an opinion article on Market Watch. Yeah, I already know. I know. You don't have to tell me twice. I know about Market Watch and Citadel, but it's still interesting to see how some of these medias are really in bed with the hedges and the shorts and are trying. I mean, at the point, it's not even trash talking anymore, because trash talking, you're trying to avoid people from getting into the stock. But at this point, I think it's something else, because you are relating facts that are not based on the truth. So the opinion article was starting to say, okay, get out of AMC stock as soon as you can with your money. And the reason behind that, according to that article, was the business fundamentals of AMC are worse than ever. What are you talking about, dude? It's the total opposite. I mean, the AMC CEO himself, okay, mentioned that on the last earnings call. And then after the 43 million shares at the market program offer was completed, there was more than $400 million in cash raised from that program. So before that, AMC already raised almost $2 billion in order to continue to sustain the operation of the company throughout 2021. And that is in case there is no more revenues coming in from the business. But we do know that restrictions are coming out. We do know that mask mandates will be off by June. We do know that the economy is reopening, and AMC will, all the new movies that will be coming out, a lot more revenues will be coming. Okay, we have the partnership with Chance the Rapper. I mean, we have a lot more things that are now official and to happen, in the pipeline for this company, that you can't just, it's just not true to mention that the business fundamentals doesn't look great, because they are now sitting on a pile of cash that is making the company financially, from a financial standpoint, be more positive than it was decades ago. So why would you bring up the fact that the business fundamentals are not good? It's the total opposite. So they're doing that to spread the FUD, okay, and also make sure that those who are sitting on the sidelines to wait and see what will happen with AMC, not only that, but also the institutional clients or other, little insurance companies or few mutual funds managers who are not confirmed yet. But I guess it's irrelevant at this point, because if you have BlackRock, Vanguard, if you have all the big banks, if you have even Schwab and Fidelity buying in chunks AMC stock, well, those other people sitting on the sideline, they already got the confirmation. So it just showed that, guys, we have to be careful. We have to be careful, because until we get the 10 days, we have to be careful. We have to be careful about what we read. We have to be careful at the tactics the hedge funds are still using, because this is a war. And when you are at war, you have to be careful until the very last minute of the fight. And that's how you win, because they will not give us a break. So why would us?